Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is an 8-month update on a second case on a younger guy with a very pretty girlfriend.
Is it 8 months already?
8 months. And so frequent viewers will remember this guy from way back. Here's where we started. And we did one case on him and gave him my hairline. And like everybody, he comes back and says, can you lower his hairline an inch? How big's an inch?
It's like this big.
And then we added the rest behind where we started before, and I think we videoed him every day during that week. And
Yeah, he came over, yeah.
Yeah. And we were down in Richmond doing consultations, and he came over and saw us, and here he is at 8 months, inside with indirect lighting and outside in the sun. And he looks good.
He looks good, yeah. He was rocking a short haircut.
Right, so here's his short haircut. And he is the guy, if some of you guys remember, he runs a gym, and we had real trouble with this scar. Remember,
Oh, that's right. He would weight lift, and he would not put a towel on
right,
his hat.
He was bathing my scar in another dude's sweat.
Mm-hmm.
And so he didn't do that this time, and his scar's much better. So I know we'll see this guy again. He's a fun fellow, and he's already talking about a third case, which I don't know where we're going to put more hair, but I'm sure we'll see him and update him at the year and 3 months. Anything you want to add? Get engaged. That's what we tell you. Yeah, put a ring on that girl's finger.
Yeah, she's so pretty.
See ya.